This is Joe McClung with FloodGate Medical. A few years back, I had a goal to run a half marathon under an hour and 30 pace. So I jotted the goal down and stuck it on my wall. During my training, there were a couple trips, one to Mexico and one to Vegas. Needless to say, neither are good places to stay healthy. When I arrived home from my trips, I saw the note on my wall, and I immediately laced up my shoes and worked toward my objective. Guess what? I hit 1 hour, 27 minutes. Now, if I wouldn't have captured that goal from the start, like all goals and objectives, it would have migrated over time based on the circumstances at hand. In this case, it was too much tequila and tacos. Now, career transitions are no different, and actually are worse because they're primarily emotional decisions that we make and then justify with logic. It's our natural instinct, which is why I recommend you define your best role, your objective at the beginning of the search. We have a tool you can download that is called the Best Fit Calculator, which not only allows you to list the attributes you would like to have, but also allows you to rate and rank them. With your best fit quantified, used throughout your search process, whether determining which opportunities are worth pursuing or which offers and careers you should end up taking. Crafting your best fit calculator is actually pretty simple. Make a comprehensive list of the characteristics that would be present in your dream job. If you're currently employed, forget that for a moment. Take a few minutes to thoroughly identify the ingredients of your ideal position. This list will likely evolve over time, so give yourself some latitude to account for future personal changes, kids, schools, spouses, etc. Along a similar line, think beyond day one. While it's important to have a threshold for total compensation, consider your long-term goals. There may be some opportunities presented that may call for some short-term sacrifice with a substantial upside over time. Some examples of criteria include 1. Accelerated growth company, a clear pathway for upward mobility, total compensation north of X, ability to move a position, regional travel, no reload, does it have payer and coverage? Does it have a certain level you need? Does it have that contagious company culture? Now, assign a weight to each of your characteristics based on the importance to you. A 10 would be a non-negotiable, and a 1 or a 2 would reflect that it's not critical. Here's an example. Accelerated growth company equals 8. A clear pathway for upward mobility is a 6 to you. A powerhouse leadership team, that's a 9. And total compensation north of X, that's a gotta have, that's a 10. Now you've got an objective tool to use when comparing new opportunities against each other. And if employed, to size up to your current job and how it competes to new opportunities. Take that total score for each opportunity you seriously considered, populate the values honestly as you can, and divide by the total available, and you'll get a number, 72%, 90%, etc. You get the idea. This should not be the only way you determine where you want to spend the next 20 years, but it will give you some objective insights to help supplement those emotions that run so strong when you're considering something as important as a job change. If you've got 2 leads you're losing sleep over, this tool might provide you the clarity to choose the path to your best success.